Would you care to tell me how you select lubricant for internal combustion engines?
In internal combustion engines, the lubricant has to be exposed to high temperature. It indicates that lubricant used in internal combustion engines should have high viscosity index, that means low variation of viscosity with temperature, and high thermal stability. It should not undergo easy evaporation and decomposition at high temperature. Petroleum oils contains additives, which impart high viscosity index and oxidation resistance to the oils, are widely used as lubricating oils for internal combustion engines.
Very good, Lizzie. Keep it up. Now anybody would tell me what type of lubricants can be used for delicate instruments?
Lubricants for delicate materials such as watches, clocks, sewing machines, scientific instruments, etc. are not subjected to high temperature, or to water, or to extreme load. For such purpose, vegetable oils and animal oils such as palm oil, neatfoot oil, castor oil, etc. are most appropriate.
Well done, Lizzie. It seems you are very well prepared for today's class. Keep it up.